Welcome back to Brick by Brick. This last Amazon Prime Day was a great day to buy some new Legos and add to my investing portfolio, so I did just that. I bought a couple new sets to add to my investing portfolio, and today I'll be going over which ones I picked and why I picked them. So let's start with this first one right here. This is the Brickheadz Lego Mandalorian in the child set, and I think this is going to do really well. I'm going to make a separate video about Brickhead sets in general, but I've got really good feeling about this. Generally, Lego Star Wars sets end up doing really well, and this is, it's got Baby Yoda in it, which is a very famous, lovable character, so I'm fairly certain that this is going to end up being a pretty great investment, and I'm pretty certain that it will at least double in value a year after it retires. So around that time of Prime Day, I bought 2 more of those. So I got 3 of those in total now in my portfolio, and then on one of the Prime Days, I bought this little Lego Millennium Falcon set. I believe this is my 3rd in my portfolio now. And generally, Millennium Falcons do pretty well, and it's a smaller one, and I was able to get it on sale. So those are generally good perks. It's got a good minifigure. It's got Han Solo, a little bit of playability with the set. You have these 2 little blaster cannon things on top. And it's just a really fun set. These little microfighter builds have ended up being pretty great investments in the long run. And then next up, so I already built this set, but I got the Lego Ideas International Space Station. And this one I bought just to build for fun, and I will be making another video reviewing that. But those have been all the Lego sets that I've bought during Prime Days. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.